Welcome back to the Self-Made Auto Channel. That's our 2017 Jeep Patriot. Just got brought up here by another shop, and they tell me that when they turn the marker lights on, that they don't turn on it. They just come on for a second, and then they flash, and then they shut off, and that's it. Supposedly the headlights work, turn signals work, brake lights work, just no marker lights now. Apparently they made the call on the T.I.P.M. They put a T.I.P.M in it, and it does the same thing. So here we are. So I asked them to stick the original T.I.P.M back in it and then come see me. I don't want to have to deal with two problems. So there's the, oh, it looks like it's probably a used one. Alright. Anywho, let's just look at the dash. I'll turn the marker lights on. You see them flickering there? And then they stop. So that's just me turning, you know, the marker lights on. You can probably see the glare right there. So that's all they do, and you can see the reflection probably out on the toolbox. Let's see. Yeah, so that's all it does. But indeed, the headlights do work. Alright. And then, got a four-way flasher down here. I think he's up there working. I can see the reflections on the door back there. That blinker's working. That blinker's working. Brake light, brake light. Oh, and the other thing is, look at that. Look at that snap-on scan tool over there. It's the Triton. Not to be confused with the Ford Triton. It's just a snap-on Triton. Apparently it replaces the Modus. And it's a demo unit. Snap-on guy wants me to have a gander at it. So I'm going to have Jason assist us. We're just going to try to have a look, see what's going on. Go ahead and... So we're just going to go around and look at these bulbs. Just want to make sure there's not any element shorted together or something funky. That seems to work. How about... Uh-oh, we got no plate lights. Could that be a clue? Probably. I don't see anything else flickering. Alright, that's good, Jay, thanks. There's my thoughts. License plates are the only ones not flickering. What if they're, you know, usually these T.I.P.Ms work, they don't have a fuse, generally speaking, for the lights. They got drivers that turn the lights on. And I think they use, what, like FET transistors or something they call them. So if they go over current, you know, shuts things off. Now this is the 2017, but clearly this is a dirt road driver. This is just a big fat guess, but we're going to have a look. And these plate lights, let's see if there's something shorted out here, which is plausible because everything's kind of crusty. I could be wrong. Well, these are LED. Oh, some kind of Fiat Chrysler thing going on over here. Let's have a move you a little closer. Maybe there's something. A little something, something. Let's go up there. Never seen these before. They do look like some kind of lead. That's short for LED. Actually, I think LED is short for light emitting diode. LED is just short for saying L and E and a D. These are weird. These are weird, you bunch of weirdos. Well, there's there's your problem, lady. There's some green crussies there. That one's all broke off. What do you want me to do? Snap it off? So I tell Vanessa O all the time when chasing her around. What do you want me to do? Chop it off? Oh! Be careful there, fella. Oh, she's tight. This one feels like, oh yeah, she's crusted right in there too. That one also is melted into a blob and broke the terminal out. So I know you guys can't see it in there, but the terminals are all broke. Let's just see for poop and laughter if this thing works. Long long story short, she's still flickering, but boy, it stinks back here. Oh, that's a special kind of stink. Oh, you guys, maybe you can't see it now. I suck at this. So you can see it. Man, it smells really bad back here. It smells like burning electrical. And this plug right here is done got all crispy. Like real crispy. Where's my pick? Anybody got the pick? Anyway. Walked all the way to the toolbox, found it in my pocket.
Stuff melting together back there?
Yeah, it stinks. You can
What's it like to hear?
I just wonder if it's all shorted in this connector here. I just want to take the tailgate apart just to unplug it, but yeah, this thing's fried to a crisp. This whole friggin' connector is broke. I just want to, if these are shorted across, I just want to try to break the short. This may not even be our problem, but it's a problem. That's for sure. Are you guys even in frame? You don't even know what the heck's going on here, do you? Come right over here, about pop. Ah, that crusty mess. Hey Jay, we flick on our marker lights. I just want to see if they work. Oh, still flickering. Okay. Whoa! We got smoke. Holy crap! There we go. We found the problem.
Burning pieces.
Yeah. Everything's. Once you warmed her up a little bit, things happen back here. Let's give her the old spreader room. Classic move. Okay, now try it. Hey, we got marker lights now, we're fixed. All right, we didn't have to plug in scan, so we're done. Well, I guess that's it, folks. You guys want to see the marker lights work. Otherwise, nobody will believe me. They already think I do one-wheel brake jobs. So there's our marker lights. So those are working. I'm just gonna leave the wires hanging out there because it's gonna go back to the other shop to get fixed. And we can see now that they function as intended. All right, now you believe me. Okay, a whole whopping 3 minutes into this one. All right, folks, try this again. So that's it. Now that you see they work, you believe me, it was pretty simple diag. What can we learn from this? Don't get sidetracked. Don't fall into the what do they call it? Repeat failure mode, I guess. Which I suppose would be easy enough to do. You know, we think Chrysler, we think T.I.P.M, because the T.I.P.M always goes bad. I mean, that's common. But if we also look at it, you know, how does the T.I.P.M generally function as far as turning on the lights, you know, whether it be headlights, marker lights, you know, stuff like that. Like I say, I think they use what they call them, fret emitting transistors or some kind of current protection device, you know, other than a fuse, uses logic. It can measure current on the circuit, and that's how I think it determines, you know, its light out monitor and things like that, because it has individual drivers for each light and whatever. Who remembers the day when you pulled the switch and it had a fuse, and if you replaced the fuse wrong stuff, everything went up in smoke? Those are the good old days. Anyhow, don't get sidetracked. Learn how the system works. Simple way to diag it, you know, like we did in this case. Hey, I'm done talking. Why don't you guys go down to that comment box, leave a question, comment, criticism, concern. While you're down there, subscribe, ring that bell. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.